Hello students, today we will start our next topic, that is on the genetic inheritance. What is a genetic inheritance? Genetic inheritance means the transmissions of character from parent to progeny or from one generation to the next generation. It is also known as heredity. But at the same time, some differences may be morphological, physiological or biochemical arises in the progeny along with this heredity, and this difference is known as variations. Science of heredity or variations, collectively known as genetics. George Jones Mendel was the father of genetics because he initiates the work on the genetics and study the law of inheritance. Mendel and his theory of the inheritance. Mendel's experiment was performed in three different stages. First is the selection of pure breeding plant, then hybridization and obtaining the F1 generation, then further produce different generations by selfing of F1 hybrid. First, selection of plant. Mendel select the garden pea plant because it is an annual plant, it is very easy to grow, bisexual plant, self-pollinated. Because of the bisexual and self-pollination properties, it produces pure line varieties with the contrasting pair of traits. It produces large number of seeds per plant. Hybridization experiment. Mendel performed hybridization separately for each contrasting pair of character. He crossed one character at a time. The crosses in which one character taken into the consideration is known as monohybrid cross. He also performed di-tri crosses, means he select three different characters and cross them. The seeds collected from the female emasculated flower after hybridization is known as F1 hybrid plant. They were shown to rise the first phylal generation. Then the selfing of F1 and F2 plants. Plant of F1 generation produces were allowed to self-pollinate. The self-pollinated seed collected, stored and shown into the next seasons to rise the F2 generation. Then the plant of F2 generation again selfed in the same manner and the seeds were collected and shown to rise F3 generation. Mendel also proposed the different terminology which are related to genetics, like the genes. Mendel presumed that the character is determined by a pair of factors, and these factors or determiner is known as genes. Alleles. Alleles are a pair of genes representing the two alternative forms of a character. Homozygous. Presence of two similar forms of alleles like the DD or small dd. Capitals represents the dominated form and the small letter represent the recessive form. Heterozygous. Presence of two dissimilar forms of a allele like the capital D and small d. This organism is known as heterozygous. Dominant and recessive. The alleles that express itself in a heterozygous is known as dominant and other remain unexpressed is called recessive. Genotype and phenotype. Genotypes means the complete genetic makeup of an organism, whereas phenotype is the appearance of the organism. Gene pool. Gene pools means aggregate of all the gene and their alleles present in a inbreeding population. Pure lines. Generation of individual which produce offspring of only one type from a pure line. Monohybrid cross. A cross by which inheritance of one pair of characters is studied at a single time is known as monohybrid. Dihybrid cross, in which the inheritance of two pair of contrasting characters is studied simultaneously. Then the hybrid. The process of mating two genetically dissimilar parents is and their progeny is known as a hybrid.